Unraveling humor. Understanding, get a laugh out of. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression. Get a laugh out of. This phrase is a key to unlocking a door to English humor and cultural nuances. Understanding it can enhance your conversational skills and bring joy to your learning process. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and the joy it can bring to our conversations. Get a laugh out of is a phrase that means to amuse someone or to find something amusing. When you say you got a laugh out of something, it means that thing made you laugh or brought you a sense of humor. It's about finding joy, amusement, or entertainment in a situation, joke, or remark. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to storytelling, and is a testament to the power of humor in communication. Using get a laugh out of in sentences is straightforward. It's often used to describe the reaction of an audience or a specific person to something funny. For example, I got a laugh out of the joke she told at the party. He always knows how to get a laugh out of me, even on my worst days. It's also used to reflect on one's ability to find humor in a situation. I can always get a laugh out of watching old comedy shows. Understanding where and how to use this phrase will greatly improve your conversational English, especially in informal settings where humor is appreciated. Learning a language isn't just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about understanding the culture and the emotional nuances that come with it. Humor plays a significant role in this. Being able to get a laugh out of something not only makes learning more enjoyable but also helps in immersing yourself in the language and culture. It's a bridge to deeper connections with native speakers and a way to make your language journey more memorable. We hope this video has brought a smile to your face and shed light on the charming phrase, get a laugh out of. Remember, learning English is not just about the rules but also about embracing the joy and humor that comes with the language. Keep laughing, keep learning, and let the joy of understanding English humor enhance your language skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.